The Needle Exchange program in Scott County started 6 years ago after an outbreak of HIV. Officials say since then it has reduced new cases of HIV as well as hepatitis C and other diseases. Now some are thinking it is a good time to end it, while others, including those who benefit from the program, say it's a lifesaver.
I think it went really well. I couldn't think of a better cast of characters to bring in. Dr. Box, Dr. Adams, Dr. Yezel, Dr. Crosdale, Dr. Cook, such a band of people that were really rallied around in 2015 when this really happened.
Dozens packed into this meeting in Scott County to discuss the continuation of the county's Needle Exchange program. Many in attendance, including a woman who is HIV positive, says that this program is about more than enabling addicts.
It wasn't just about the syringe exchange, right? I walked in these streets or on those streets every single day. Sometimes I didn't have a shower for 3 to 4 days. You know, I was a prostitute. I prostituted. There were several things that I was doing that was not human-like.
And this woman, who is now married with children, credits the Syringe Service Program, or SSP, for also providing her insurance that she still has today, which gave her access to medication to survive with HIV. The executive director of a recovery organization called Thrive says this program has to continue because the stigmas around HIV and drug abuse has shifted.
You have the empathy, compassion from people that work in this community and know that it's really about a human connection.
And with a lot of human connection also comes the raw data. Indiana Health Commissioner Dr. Christina Box says this is her 3rd time attending a meeting about this topic and says over the last 6 years it shows that this program works.
HIV level is so low in individuals that have HIV that they really can't communicate that or give that to other people when they continue to take their medications. The other thing is they get more individuals involved in recovery, and they have, as you can see, an incredible recovery and peer recovery program here.
Stefan Dingle, WLKY News.